right, this is the before video. We are installing this carbon fiber LED steering wheel for a customer on his Challenger. So let's get into it. All right, so we got this bad boy removed finally. So now we are going to remove this here, this one to take off the steering wheel, and then we'll start removing piece by piece and transferring it to this one. So let's get into it. All right, now we have the steering wheel off, and we're going to start removing the pieces and transferring everything. All right, now we have everything screwed in, paddles, everything's connected. So now we have to find these two wires to connect with something over here. So now we're going to use purple for the 12 volt, cut that and connect the red, and then the black for the ground, and we're going to tape those up and we should be good. Once everything's connected, and then we'll have access to the LED. So let's get to it. I'm going to chop these off. These are ready to go. Let's get it. Now this bad boy's installed. So we are going to turn on the lights, well, the battery, and we should be good to go. All right, and there she goes. So we have everything connected. The lights are up. You can see. I will put in a drive. Paddles work. Gonna go up. Gonna go down. Everything works properly. Cruise control off. So we're good. Paddles work up and down. Hold this one back to D. We're good. Put it back in park. Alrighty. Finished product. Let's get one more.